everybody, it's Carrie. You might know me from the Quarantine Quick Meals. Today we are going to do a little something different. We're kind of trying a new series. We're calling it Life Skills for Kids. So I'm having my kids help me out. And
banana bread.
we're gonna make zucchini banana bread, right? And guys, how often do you think we make banana bread at home? We make it quite a bit, don't we? Right, Vivian? Do we make it a lot of times?
100.
100 times! I don't know if we've made it 100 times, but we do make it quite a bit. And
It's Mommy's favorite.
it is one of my favorite. We make a lot of variations of it too, right? Sometimes what do we put in our banana bread?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
And sometimes we do halves.
We do. Sometimes we do half with chocolate chips, half without. Because Vivi, do you like chocolate chips in your banana bread? Kind of, but not really. So we try and make sure that everybody gets accommodated. So during the quarantine, I have read that banana bread is one of the most popular things that people are making out there. So how about we show kids like you, like your age, how they can make banana bread at home too. Okay, so guys, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Vivian, what was the first thing you already have done? What did you do with it right here? What did you mash?
Mash the banana.
Can you show everybody how you mash the bananas?
Yes.
Mash the bananas. Can you show them how your method? How do you use the masher? What do you do?
If you don't have a masher, that'll tie.
What could you use instead? Maybe a fork?
A big spoon.
A big spoon? All right.
Sometimes we even like doing it together because that's one of our favorite things to do as chefs.
As chefs, that's right. Chef Penny and Chef Vivian right here.
I
don't know if we even know. Okay, it's all mashed up. So let's set that aside, okay? Where's 1.5 cups? Right there. Okay, do you want to fill this to 1.5 cups with the flour from in here? And Vivian, while Penny's doing that, we need 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. Which one's baking powder? That one's the baking soda. So which one's got to be the baking powder? Yes! All right, so we don't have 3/4 of a teaspoon. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 green and 1 red, okay? Into our big bowl. There you go. Okay, right in here, honey. 1 red. And 1 green. You got your red in. Let's do 1. We need a green. Sorry. Nope, we need a green. We did 1 red and 1 green. How are we doing over there, P? Looking good. Almost there. Okay, we've got our baking powder, Vivian. Now we're going to move on to, what's the other one called? Baking
soda.
Baking soda. And we need 3/4 of a teaspoon of that. So we need 1 red and 1 green of the baking soda as well. Let's see, Pen. Nice job shaking it. Just a little bit more.
This good?
Probably more than that. 1 red. Shake it off. Good work.
1 green.
Very good. All right, Penny. Now shake it like you were doing. Good work.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay, why don't you show everybody how you shake it so you know that it's 1.5 cups. Okay. Good work. Now go ahead and pour it in. Vivi, how's that green coming? Nice job. And then Miss Vivian, what was this? Do you remember?
That is
the
salt.
Yes, we need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, so that's 1 green. You guys can do that as a team.
Which way is it? Oh yes, this way.
Go ahead and pour it into Vivi's. You know what? Nope. Here, can I show you how to do it? We don't use this salt very often. You pour it like this.
Whoa.
Yeah. Ooh, be careful. We don't want too sugar, salt, and perfect. And now, Miss Vivian, we need 1 teaspoon of our cinnamon.
Not too much.
Whoa, that is a mountain of, not that much. There we go. We're going to put the rest in our cinnamon.
Sorry.
That would have been a little crazy if we would have had that much. I mean, we love cinnamon, but not that much. Not yet, sweetheart. The next thing we do now that... No. Can you listen to directions?
These are wet ingredients.
They are wet ingredients. Very good, Penny. Girls,
Sugar.
what's the most important thing when you're baking? What's the most important thing to do when you're baking? You need to listen. Stirring is really important as well, but we need to follow the directions or the recipe, right? And so we're not doing that yet. Can we listen? Okay, so our next thing is that we need to whisk it together. Okay?
I didn't know that.
This is what, yep, we can get this stuff out of your way. Here you go.
Mommy. Oh, okay.
How about we take turns? Do we like to do we work together as a team?
Go together with me.
I love that. Good job, girls.
Get the cinnamon really down so it looks nice. Now that's some good looking flour. Baby, I think we're good.
Is it nice and mixed, ladies?
Yeah, it's nice and mixed, Mommy.
All right. So we're going to set that aside, okay?
Okay, now we get to do the wet ingredients.
We do get to do the wet ingredients.
Now we're going to get messy.
We already had our, what are these? What did
Mashed
we mash up?
bananas.
Mashed bananas, mashed bananas. All right, let me get that flour out of your way. So the next thing we're going to add, girls, is...
Let's do it together. I pour it in. Baby gets it into the bowl.
Okay, we have 1 egg. Now, Miss Penny's going to do the egg. Is that all right, Vivian?
Yes.
Okay. Well,
But
we're going to use a spatula.
Baby, come and help. Come and pull with me.
Careful, you don't want to get the shell in there, right? Good job, ladies. You can just set that aside, Penny. All right. Now we also need...
Mama.
Do you need... Yep, there you go. We need 1/4 of a cup of the brown sugar and 1/4 of a cup of regular sugar. So Penny, can you find the 1/4 of a cup measurement on there?
Is this one?
Yes. So 1/4 of the regular sugar, and that can go in the bowl. You got to make sure it's nice and full all the way to the top. You need a little bit more. Yep. Scoop it in. Give it a good old scoop. Hoo-ah! There you go. Now you got a full 1/4.
There you go, baby.
Why don't you pour it in since she's stirring? Okay. As long as we...
That was
It
enough.
happens. Okay.
Wait. Just put this down.
Well, she's ready to stir. Why don't you pour in and she's waiting for you to stir, okay? You're going to need your 1/4 of a cup again, okay?
No, I still.
And now you need to get 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar and you got to pack it in there, okay?
Pack.
Yep, you can push some of it off if it's too much, right? Yep.
Messy.
Okay, now plonk it in and then go ahead and wash your hands.
Whoa, that looks like a
It
sandcastle.
does. Go ahead and wash your hands, Miss P. All right, now you can start stirring it, yes.
Messy.
We just need to add the vanilla, and we're using olive oil today because I don't have any other oil. But the recipe recommends coconut oil or vegetable oil, but we're going to use olive oil. Okay, Miss Mimi, Penny, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Which one is 1 and which one's half? Which one do you think?
That's half. This is 1.
There you go. So you need
Can
1.
we rinse this off? It has still has cinnamon.
It's okay if it has cinnamon on it. We're putting it right into the donut.
Now this one bananas. What is it? Mama.
Oh my gosh, nice stirring. Okay, that's why Another lesson we can learn here is that when we do our pouring and stuff, we do it by our bowl, okay? So that we don't have to carry it over there.
Yeah, you can stir.
We now need our oil. So we need 1/3 cup. Penny, can you find the 1/3 cup measurer? Very good. Can I help you with that since it's right over here?
Wow.
Wow. All right, go ahead and pour that in. And Vivian, mix it, mix it, mix it.
Okay.
Mix it, mix it, mix it. You know what we need to do while you're stirring?
Yeah.
We need to preheat our oven.
Preheat.
Needs to be on 350. Okay?
350.
And girls, before we got started, we forgot to tell everybody what is the first thing we do when we are about to cook or bake?
Wash our hands.
Wash our hands with,
Soap. Water.
and we
Scrub
That's
them.
right, because we want to make sure we have very clean hands when we're baking. I almost stepped in banana, so as long as our hands are clean, our floor doesn't need to be. Okay, Vivi, how's it looking? Penny, tell me the status.
Wow, it looks like oily throw up. Chunky.
And that is exactly what it's supposed to look like, everyone. Oily throw up. Okay.
And it is chunky.
It's chunky. Okay. All right, so then we have our dry ingredients. And we need to put
The wet ingredients into the dry ingredients.
Are you ready?
Yes!
All right, Vivian, Penny Whitmore. Dun, dun, dun. And then we got to stir it up and make it into banana bread batter.
It looks different because we used olive oil. Let's know.
It does look a little different.
Let's do it
It might be
together.
better if you do it together.
Whoa! Why don't I hold the bowl and you stir? Yes!
How's it coming?
It looks like throw up.
Still does, doesn't it? Yes. Yes, it does. Keep going, girl. Woo! Okay, make sure you scrape the sides, Vivian. Don't get too crazy. Scrape the sides.
Maybe it's my turn.
Okay, can we switch and you be the holder and Penny is the whatchamacallit? The stirrer.
It feels kind of like what banana bread is, but on the bottom you gotta make sure that you need to make sure that all the ingredients are actually mixed together. Because if they're not, it might not bake so well.
All right.
Let's do it together. All right, keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. All right, I need help. I didn't know this was so hard. There we go. Now that's stirring. Mommy!
Whoa!
Mommy! Now it looks like banana bread and it smells like banana bread.
Yeah, it does smell really good in here. Do you guys think it's stirred up real good?
Yes!
Okay.
No,
well,
let's check the bottom quick, Vivi. Wait. No, it still has it on the bottom.
do you guys want me to give it a good scrape?
We're good, Mom.
Okay.
Isn't it called Life Skills for Kids? Dang it.
Well, you do need adult supervision, children, even if it is life skills for kids. We always recommend adult supervision.
What's at the bottom? Wait.
Can we take?
It's good. It's
All right, I'm
good.
gonna give it just a quick once over here.
Come here.
You guys did a great job. Let's show everybody what it looks like, okay? Dun, 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 dun. Nicely mixed. And the
Now it
last
doesn't look
thing,
like chunky
the
throw.
last thing is our zucchini. So we use frozen zucchini because we have zucchini that we grow in our garden. But you can definitely use fresh zucchini. But you just need to make sure that you squeeze all the water out.
Let's do it together, Mimi.
Can I break it up a bit?
No, to me.
I know. I'm just going to help you out just for a second. It's in a big tight ball because I squeezed all the water out.
Whoa. You didn't tip me over. Mama, can you hold this in case? Because we don't want it to fall. What's that bottom? Whoa. This is about stirring in the zucchini. I think it's good.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
No? Vivi says no.
And me, the finished touch. Put a kiss on it.
What's the
Vivian.
finishing touch?
Put a kiss on it. Is make sure it's not on the ball. It needs to be stopped.
Okay.
Oh wait, put the love into it. Blah blah blah.
I think it's pretty good.
We need to put the
Let's-
love in it.
let's-
The secret ingredient.
Oh, now it's going to be the best zucchini banana bread in the world.
Or you could say
It's okay. All right, let's get our pan out.
Beezy.
BZ bread, banana zucchini. BZB, banana zucchini bread. Okay, so we have our greased loaf pan here.
With
I'm
butter.
just helping out.
You should never use a spray because that could stick.
We use a spray sometimes. I just don't have any spray.
Well, you
So I
should
use
spray
butter.
a lot. You should spray a lot because
Otherwise
you don't
it'll
want
stick.
it to stick.
Correct. Right. Good work, Vivian. Nice job. Okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. No worries here. Getting it. Nice scraping.
That. I was told by Drama Remo.
You were talking about
Drama Remo teach me how to stew bananas.
Grandma taught you how to stir bananas and scrape the bowl?
Yeah.
Good job, Grandma. Yeah. Okay, Miss Viv. I think Mom's going to give it a quick once around, and then Mom is going to put it in the oven, right? You guys don't touch the oven. Is that a rule in our house?
Yes.
Yes, because it's
Hot.
we got to put on our timer for 55 to 60 minutes. So we're going to do 55 because our oven tends to cook fast. Start. And there we go. We just got to wait. We'll see you later when it's all done.
Bye-bye. And have a nice day. It's not over yet.
Okay, girls. So here's the taste test. Our bread came out of the oven. How did you do? Yeah, yummy. Yummy. All right.
That cinnamon got really good in it.
Yeah.
And the zucchini really good.
The zucchini's really good. So you guys did a great job. 2 thumbs up.
Newton Matt, this the banana at the banana bud zucchini banana bud at home and zucchini muffins tomato too.
Yes, maybe we'll make some banana zucchini muffins another day. Okay, well, thank you guys so much. What do you say?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm Penny and this is my little sister